Oh, I'm not fine because I just come back from Prague province to see my grandmother. Okay, and I hope everyone will well. Okay, stop please. Okay. For the last thing that we have to study is about the quadratic equations. Okay, the quadratic equation. Do you know quadratic? กำลังสองใช่ไหมครับ Today we have to study about the factor. Okay, right? The factor, factorization. Okay, factor of quadratic equations. Okay. We have to study about the quadratic equation. Just the first time we have to study about the 1, 2, 3, and 4 of forms. That the first form we have to study x squared plus bx plus c. The second we have to study about the x squared minus bx and plus c. The third we have x squared plus bx and minus c. And the last we start x squared minus bx and minus c. So, and we factor that is factor is x plus any one, x plus any number, right? And this is a x minus any value and x minus any value, so right. But the first time that we hope that we to observe that if the symbolic of the in front of c, so the symbolic in front of c, that is the positive sign. Do you know positive? What does positive in Thai mean? Positive แปลว่าบวกโอเคไหมครับถ้าหน้าค่าสัมประสิทธิ์นะครับ we call coefficient แปลว่าสัมประสิทธิ์ if it has the positive coefficient of the c, that c is constant. Do you know what does constant mean? Constant แปลว่าค่าคงที่ค่าคงที่มีตัวแปรไหมครับไม่ Is it have the variable? No, this isn't. So, okay, very good. The multiplication of each number to each number is c. Okay, but today we have to do all opposite. You know that we have to study about the first form, the second form, the third form, and the fourth form. That you know the coefficient of x squared is only 1, but today it is different from all forms. We have to study about the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, that is harder than the whole form. Okay, if may I give for some example for you? May I give? Do you want for some example of this form? Do you want? Yes. So, okay. Today I give some example for you that 3x squared minus 2x and minus 16. It's okay. The first we have to consolidate in the chart. Consolidate in the chart. May I write the chart in the whiteboard? Like, chart แปลว่าเดี๋ยวเป็นตาราง Can I? May I? คุณเขียนได้ไหมครับ ได้ Okay. What is the value of A? What is? Number is A is number 3. B B is number 2 minus 2. And number C. Number C. What is number C? Minus 16. Okay? Minus 16 or negative 16. Yes. Right. Now we consider and we would like to find the multiplication of A and C. What is the value of A times C? What is the value of A times C? What is the value? Is it 3 times minus 16 3คูณลบ16เป็นเท่าไหร่ครับ minus 48 minus 48 and then we factor of the common factor and we factor of the minus 48 okay we consider what is the symbol positive or negative positive or negative negative yes and what is number what is the symbol negative or positive เป็นบวกหรือเป็นลบ negative yes so okay this is a 1 negative 48 and 2 negative 24 and 3 negative 16 and 4 negative 12 and 6 negative 8. Why do you know that it is positive and this is negative? Why? Do you know? How to consider about the symbolic of the two numbers? Why is it positive? Why is it negative? Why? Can you tell me? In Thai ทำไมครับทำไมครับเพราะตรงกลาง because this is the middle term is positive and the last term is positive. You can answer me in Thai language. You can อีกครั้งครับ again เป็นไงครับทำไมถึงติดลบครับตรงกลางติดลบใช่ไหมครับแล้วข้อสุดท้ายติดbecause the sum because the result of the multiplication of the first term and the third term is negative and then the middle term is negative we have the greater value of the number that we multiplication the greater is negative and the less is positive okay ค่ามากกว่าก็ต้องติดลบค่าน้อยกว่าก็ต้องเป็นบวกเพราะว่าบวกเจอลบได้ลบแล้วลบมากเจอบวกน้อยตรงกลางก็ติดไปครับติดลบโอเค and then we find the sum of two each pair of number we find the sum of each two number what is the sum 1 and minus 48 1 and minus 48 is minus 47. It is true? It is true? This is true? No. What is the pair that is correct? ผู้ไหนครับถูกต้อง6 and minus 8. Oh, then we have 3x to the second power. 2x to the second power. Or we can call 3x square. เห็นไหมครับถ้ายกกำลังสองก็บอกว่า square or to the second power minus 2x and minus 16 is 3x square plus 6x minus 8 and minus 16 and then we separate into two parentheses แบ่งออกเป็น2กลุ่ม by the grouping factor we get 3x squared plus 6x and plus minus 8x minus 16 and we have the form 3x squared plus 6x minus 8x plus 16 why because negative times positive is negative so right negative times positive is negative and then we factor the common factor of two numbers this is common factor is 3x and this is x plus 2 and minus 8x plus 2 oh this is the same term is has the same term that a plus 2. So we use the factorization of the grouping factor. We get 3x minus a times x plus 2. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Thank you very much.